Hello guys, I'm going to show you today how to make a FaceTime with an iPhone to Android or to other phone. I'm using the Samsung with the iPhone. I'm going to show you today how to make a FaceTime. So you got your Samsung phone. What you want to go? You want to go to your FaceTime. Stay here, create a link. Click in the create a link. You want to send a message, the link to the person who you want to make a FaceTime. In that case, I'm going to send it to this phone. And click the send. So now waiting to receive it here. There you go. Message receive it. Join my FaceTime. Click the link. Put your name in there, whatever you want to put in there. Continue. Now press the green button, join. Now is in your iPhone is coming here. FaceTime link, someone required to join. Click in that one. Press the join. And you need to accept it somehow. There you go. Again, if you place the FaceTime on the top there and stay here, maybe K1. This is the name what we have put in there, and press the green button to confirm. Done. There you go. You can make a FaceTime. Leave with other phone. This link will be always same. This means if I want to make in future FaceTime, I can use the same link what I have, what I send it to the iPhone to the other phones. So I hope this video is help. And now you can make a FaceTime with other model. Thank you for watching. Keep safe. K1 Repair Center.